How to fix AMD Adrenalin not opening. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the most convenient way to execute troubleshooting step if your AMD Adrenalin is not working or not opening on your end. So first is go all the way to your Windows search and then type in Device Manager. Now pull up Device Manager under Control Panel, and from here you're just gonna need to look out for your AMD graphics card. So the look for that is just under Display Adapters, and you should be able to see AMD right here. And you just need to right click on it and then choose on update driver. Now it's going to take up around a minute or two for it to fully update by itself. Restart your PC. Next, to clear cache from the AMD folder itself. Do so, go back into the Windows search and type in run, access it, and then access local app data percentage sign and hit on OK. Now from this folder right here under your file manager, you just need to delete the AMD folder. And again, restart your PC and try to relaunch to see if it works for you. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix AMD Adrenalin not opening.